What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, one of my favourite case brands, Thinborne, were kind enough to send over a bunch of new cases. Now, we've known them for this style case. It's a nice black and grey aramid fibre case with the cutouts, nice and thin. However, now they're doing something a little bit more different. So if we take this one off, they did send me the new cases for Fold 7 and also for the iPhone Air. These will probably be coming in a full form video with the Fold 7 if you're interested in that, and the Air will probably be a short, so make sure you stay tuned. As I say, we've known about Thinborne cases for a long time. They are absolutely fantastic, totally worth the money. Everyone absolutely loves them, especially from my discount code, by the way, which is still down there. Go and check it out. Believe me, you get a nice good deal and a bit of discount off the Thinborne cases, and he still hasn't realised, so go and check that out, because you can get a bargain with these cases. Everybody loves them. Everyone literally messages me and is like, these are amazing, these are absolutely fantastic. People that love a nice thin case, it will protect a little bit against drops, etc., but mostly it's for the aesthetics, you know, the nice aramid fibre case, and you get to enjoy your phone still. It still feels like you're just using your phone because of how thin it is. Sent over 2 of the new colours. So they sent it over in the black gold and the navy colour. Go ahead and just get these open. So let's go ahead and use the Nintendo knife, and then let's just slice down. Let's go ahead, so you get your warning about using normal standard chargers. Obviously it's not going to fit because of the camera bump, so you're going to need a MagSafe one. Then inside here, colour already. Identify the essential, eliminate the rest, and this is what you get. You guarantee your 6-month warranty for manufacturing, and then you register for the warranty on the website. So there we go, and there's your screen protector just on the bottom right there. So let's go ahead and get rid of that, and let's take a look at the navy. So same again, 2 leaflets, and ooh, that looks good. That looks really good. I can see why he's happy with these. So from going from just using the black to now we have colours, which looking forward to see what else he brings out, because hopefully there'll be something different again. But let's take a look. So you get that black housing around the edge, cutouts on the side again, but oh, this is new. This is very new. Minimal thin light, proud from Frisco, Texas, Thinborne, and new MagSafe logos in the middle. Now I'm not going to take them off, I'm going to leave them on, but yeah, new MagSafe logos compared to the old one. There's the old one, designed in Texas, made in China, but that's the old one. I am going to use this one, and then I'll show you the navy at the end. So this one is the black gold. So there we go. There is the black gold with the navy iPhone. Let me know what you think of that. I mean, that would probably look good on the orange, I reckon. That would look really good. But again, a nice big cutout right there, and obviously those camera lenses are nice and recessed, so you're going to be able to go ahead and place it down. Now the only thing is, I have a screen protector on my phone, and it just looks like it sort of sits over just on the corners ever so slightly, so you can place it down, but if there's anything on a table or surface you're putting it on, obviously you're going to hit that screen protector, or if you haven't got one, then you should be okay. But looks good. Again, Thinborne's MagSafe is absolutely fantastic, but with it having the new logo on there, well, it just took it out my hand, so that says a lot on it. Yeah, that ain't coming off. That's on there pretty well. If you haven't seen a Thinborne case before, obviously I will do a weight test for you of one of the new colorways, just so you can see for yourself. So 22 grams, super light case, absolutely perfect. And then obviously you put the phone in there, you're looking at 267 with the phone in. So feel like you've got a massive bulky case on there. It feels great, it looks good too. I mean, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. So that right there is the black gold. As I say, cutouts are your own buttons, etc. So there's no like full coverage case. I'm hoping he might do a full coverage case next, but we'll see. Nice protection for your camera lenses, because you need that. And obviously if you've got a screen protector on, you're going to be absolutely fine anyway. The cutout on the bottom right here, it's full protection. You normally don't see that from a thin case. What you normally see is a cutout here. So obviously it's open, but I mean, like, it is super thin. But you normally find that that's open. It's never like a full coverage bottom piece right here. So this is a win already. But if we go ahead and just pop it out, super easy to take on and off. Literally, that's how easy it is. If we grab the navy and we slap it on the navy phone, I mean, oh my god. Already, that is a win. That is a massive, massive win already. That's fantastic. I think he's done super well with these. The aramid still feels great compared to like the likes of the black, the original. This has got a little bit more texture to it. It's a little bit more, yeah, it's got a little bit more texture compared to the standard. You've got your Thinborne logo on the bottom in the black, exactly the same. So you've got the black grey, you've now got the black gold, and you've got the navy. So let me know which one you go for. I'm hoping, as I say, you do more colours, but if you check the link in the description down below, you're going to be able to find a discount code, and the link will take you straight to a landing page, which will hopefully give you the discount anyway without having to put the code in, but just copy the code anyway and save yourself some money. But absolutely fantastic. Once again from Thinborne. Can't fault it at all. Well, I think that's absolutely stunning. I think the navy with the navy case is the ultimate win. This one, I reckon, would be great with the orange, and of course the black. Your black and grey goes with the navy, it'll go with the orange, and obviously it'll go with the silver. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I think he's done super well with them, and I'm looking forward to, as I say, seeing what he does next. But if you check that code down below as well, you should get money off on the Thinborne website. But huge thank you to Thinborne for sending these over for me to take a look at and show you guys. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Do you like coloured cases? Do you like coloured aramid cases, the likes of other brands out there that do similar? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and let me know what you think of the new Thinborne cases, and let me know if you're going to pick one up. Let me know in the comment section down below, because it'd be interesting to find out if you're going to pick one up too. So let me know in the comment section. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, as always. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.